The Functions Marketplace gives any developer the ability to sell their Web 2 integrations to Web 3 customers. Powered by Chainlink Functions, our product automates all of the Web 3 complexity involved in creating a custom Oracle-based integration. With our streamlined deployment process, developers can start selling their data without ever touching a smart contract. Our marketplace lets sellers profit from their integrations by allowing them to charge a premium fee for access. Using our marketplace, Web3 developers can discover integrations and can start using Web 2 data in their smart contracts at the click of a button. Let's dive in. Just a few quick notes before we get started. First, everything that we're showing here is real. Contracts are deployed to Mumbai, and you can access the live app at this link. Second, we use a contract backend for all marketplace interactions. Last, all parts of the app update in real time, so you might see some numbers tick as we demo. Let's take a look at the app. Using our marketplace, Web3 developers can discover integrations and can start using them in their smart contracts at the click of a button. Your experience with the app will vary based on whether you're selling or buying an integration. As a seller, we're most interested in the Sell and Dashboard pages. Let's click on Sell to create a new integration. Our Sell page consists of an easy-to-use form that you can use to build and deploy your Chainlink Functions-based integration. There are two sections that a seller needs to fill out. The presentation section contains metadata about your integration that's displayed to potential buyers when they browse the marketplace. The execution section lets you specify how to run your integration and is used for both execution as well as generating contracts. The fee text field represents the premium fee that external users will have to pay to use your integration. Down here, there are additional options that we hide by default. All of these options require a deep understanding of the Chainlink Functions ecosystem to modify. The defaults here will work for most people. As you can see, I've pre-filled this form with a CoinGecko integration. Let's go ahead and deploy this integration to the marketplace. And there we go, we're live. Let's jump over to the owner dashboard. The dashboard provides sellers with detailed information about their integrations and subscriptions. Right here, I can see my performance per function and can withdraw my earnings on demand. At the bottom, I can see the balance of my Chainlink Function subscriptions, as well as the amount that the marketplace contract has reserved to refill it when it runs low. So that's the dashboard, and as you can see, our integration hasn't earned anything yet because nobody has called it. Back on the homepage, I can see my function listed towards the bottom. Let's take a look at the app from the perspective of a buyer. Say I need to use an Ethereum to USD price feed in my contract. I can click the try button for a one-off request, or I can click the contract button to get an automatically generated contract that will work out of the box. Last, if I want to take a closer look at the integration, I can click on the integration name to get to the buy page. The buy page gives me all the information I need to determine if this integration is a good fit for my contract. At the top, I can see the overall health of the integration. Next, I can see the automatically generated contract and can click the Customize button to modify it as I see fit. Next, I can see additional details about the integration, including the full fee that I'll have to pay per use. You'll notice that the fee here is higher than what we set when we created this integration a few moments ago. This is because Chainlink Functions have a base fee that must be paid when your integration is executed on their Oracle network. Since all integrations in the marketplace use Chainlink Functions, all calls to a marketplace integration require the buyer to pay both the premium fee and the base fee. Finally, we can see the 10 latest calls made to this integration. We can see more details, such as the outcome and arguments passed to the call, by clicking the Details button. To finish off this demo, let's do a live run of our integration. To start with, let's look at the Try It Now dialog, which lets us do a one-off call without deploying a contract. And there's the price. What about the example contract? Let's switch over to Remix and take a look. I'll paste the example contract in, deploy it, run the contract, and there it is. Let's cross-check with CoinGecko. Looks about right. What you're seeing here is more significant than it might seem at a glance. Using Chainlink Functions in our marketplace contract, we created a new price feed integration in less than 5 minutes. We made that integration externally accessible to any developer. To prove this, we deployed a contract that uses that integration and made a round-trip request to a real Oracle network to get the Ethereum to USD price on-chain. That's what the Functions Marketplace offers to customers. The Functions Marketplace lets developers create and deploy Oracle-based integrations in minutes. Our streamlined deployment process abstracts all of the underlying complexity of Chainlink Functions, allowing anyone to sell their Web 2 data with ease. The marketplace lets sellers make profits from their integrations by allowing them to charge a fee when it's consumed by an external user. On the other side, buyers who need access to Web 2 data and their contracts no longer have to waste time and effort to build the exact same integrations as their peers. This wraps up our demo. Thanks for watching.